steel, we build the future with every deal. From custom tools to torque so tight, we're solving problems day and night. We're thinkers, dreamers, hands-on pros. With every bolt the magic grows. No copy-paste, we do it new. With every task we see it through. Tighten it up, hold it down. We're Techcon, the best around. Designing smart, building strong, turning torque into a song. From Venus arms to 3D dreams, we power up production teams. Tighten it up, don't let go. Techcon's got that perfect flow. Don't do bland, we sketch and weld with steady hands. Each product's made with love and grit. If you can think it, we can fit. Innovation's what we breathe. With every nut, with every sleeve. Our tools don't just perform, they shine. Precision built every time. Tighten it up, hold it down. We're Techcon, the best around. Designing smart, building strong, turning torque into a song. From Venus arms to 3D dreams, we power up production teams. Tighten it up, don't let go. Techcon's got that perfect flow. Got a challenge? Bring it here. We'll make it work, make it clear. No problems too tough, no vision too bold. With every part, a story told. Tighten it up, hold it down. We're Techcon, the best around. You dream it,